Oh hey, what's this delicious sandwich I'm holding? Brussels sprouts? Yeah, a Brussels sprout sandwich. Hey everyone, Mark here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Brussels sprout sandwich. Yeah, you heard me, Brussels sprout sandwich. Because everything deserves to be sandwiched between some bread now and then. And the Brussels sprout is gonna get just that today. So let's make a sandwich. All right, so grab half a pound of Brussels sprouts and trim those ends off. Now you can use a mandolin like I'm using, although I am struggling with my mandolin and honestly, I couldn't figure out why. I changed all the insert blades and was like, what the f is going on? Not realizing until after filming and was cleaning that I wasn't even supposed to put an insert blade in. Anyways, you can go for a mandolin or you can use a knife to slice or chop up your sprouts. Just make sure to slice the Brussels sprout in half to create a flat surface so it's easier for you to cut. That way you don't have any rolling Brussels sprouts on your hands. Or to make things even easier, toss everything into a food processor and just process away. All three techniques work, whatever you choose, but just make sure your sprouts are shredded or finely chopped. And once done, place in a bowl and set aside. Next up, grab 2 to 3 hot sausages and remove the casings and crumble up the meat into a bowl. Once done, set aside. You may notice I do use a lot of sausage in my recipes, and that's because so much flavor is already packed inside the meat and it just saves you time. Next, grab 125 grams of gruyere cheese. When this cheese melts, it's gonna add a nice saltiness and nuttiness to the sandwich. Gruyere is straight up awesome. It stinks, but it's awesome. Next up is our Dijonnaise. I never realized that you can even buy Dijonnaise in a bottle, and I didn't even know that this bottle existed in my pantry, but here we are. Anyways, we're gonna make our own. It's simple. I usually just go with 2 parts mayonnaise to 1 part Dijon. And if you wanna get a little bit of texture and acid, add a tiny bit of grainy mustard and then mix it all up in a bowl and place in the fridge until ready. In a pan on medium to high heat, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Add your sausage meat and crumble it up as it cooks. When it's cooked to about 80 to 90%, add in your Brussels sprouts. Season with salt and freshly cracked pepper and cook it down until the Brussels sprouts are tender. Just before removing from the pan, add a nice squeeze of lemon juice, mix, place in a bowl, and set aside. Next up, butter and toast up some brioche buns if you like, and then it's time to build our sandwich. Place a couple spoonfuls of the Brussels sprouts on the bottom half of your bun, and then add your shredded gruyere cheese. Essentially, what we want to do is to create a blanket so that when the cheese melts, it'll hold the Brussels sprouts mixture together. So we're just going to place under the broiler until the cheese is melted, and then we can just finish up with a nice dollop of Dijonnaise on that top bun, and that's it. Let's eat. All right, there we have it. Brussels sprout sandwich. This is so good. You get the creamy and the boldness from the Dijonnaise. The Brussels sprouts, you can taste them. The heat from the sausage, and then the nuttiness from the Gruyere cheese. And of course on that beautiful bun. This is good. Sandwiches are the best, and this one is pretty awesome. I think it's safe to say that not many of you have tried something like this, so I hope you give it a go. And as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.